So guys, I'm gonna quickly show you how to fix an E21 error. So what you have to do is you have to reset your Bosch washing machine. You must press the start button for long press it, then turn your select program selecting knob anti-clockwise, then wait for a minute or two, then you must switch off the washing machine, turn the knob to the off side. So after you switch off the machine, please continue pressing the start button, then turn your knob to the clockwise direction. After you turn your knob to the clockwise direction, then you're gonna start seeing numbers on the display. That means you've successfully reset your washing machine. Now you can select the program and start the program. So please, if you find this video helpful, just don't forget to subscribe, like, comment,